Well, hello everyone. This is just a very quick 2-minute video to thank all you great people out there. I'm filming this with my new camera and with new sound equipment on the camera. It's got a clip which goes around it with a speaker on it, and I hope it's coming out loud and clear. It's 7:30 in the morning at the moment and the sun is out absolutely beautiful this morning. I've escaped the idea of why I was making this video now. Just wanted to let you know, this is the first video I'm actually putting out with the new camera. A lot of people thought the last video was with it. It wasn't. I actually did some manipulation in the editing on the last video, and the next couple of cruising videos will still be filmed with the old camera. Next Wednesday's video will be the first one you'll see filmed with the new camera for a full size video. The main reason I'm making this little video is thank you all you wonderful people out there that have sent me donations towards this new camera. Oh, I tell you, it's gone such a long way now. It's absolutely fantastic. It's allowed me to buy some other extras to go with it. So let's hope things improve from here onwards and I can bring you better content in the future. As I say, a big thank you goes out to everybody that just leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. Trevor out.